Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Deiss brand Deiss Pro Pastry Cutter. Stainless steel pastry blender and dough cutter with a non-slip handle. Dishwasher safe. Now this makes mixing easier than ever. The stainless steel blades easily cut butter or margarine, shortening, or lard into pieces and then effortlessly blends them with flour. Pastry cutter is also perfect for mashing softer foods like beans or potatoes to make mashed potatoes. Since the pastry blender covers a larger surface area than a wire blender, fork, or two knives, the tool makes quicker work of the job. Also has a lot less messy than using your hands. Has a comfortable handle for solid gripping. The ergonomic handle fits all size hands perfectly. Doesn't slip even when wet or greasy hands. Also absorbs the pressure so you won't get tired from doing your work. This is sturdy construction that will last for years and years. It's made of durable stainless steel that won't bend, break, or rust. The cleanup is easy. All you do is rinse it under water and soap. Has a lifetime warranty from the company. This company, Deiss Kitchenware, offers a lifetime warranty and guarantees customers to have a hassle-free experience and unbeatable product lifespan. Now, I looked at a lot of these cutters and I looked at the reviews carefully. This one had really good reviews and I could just tell it was very solid. Now I have a gauge right here that measures sizes, and I already measured the size of the end down here, and it's about a 1/16 of an inch. And the camera's picking that up. Or in millimeter, it's 1.4 millimeters. So what does that mean to you as a cook? It means that this is very strong. This is made out of one solid piece. There's no welding joints, and it's just very rigid. I put a lot of pressure on there and it's just barely moving. And the way it's set up as an arc so that you can move like this, and this handle being softer, really good grip. So I think you'd be really happy with this product. I know I'm going to be. I'm going to show a recipe. I'm going to show how this works to cut butter in to make some Danish, and I'll have that recipe posted also so that you can make it also. Now the company says that this is 100% stainless steel, and let's just run a test. I have this calibrated magnet, which is a very strong magnet for very small size, and if I put it against something that's ferromagnetic, it will hold quite strongly. And look what you notice, it doesn't even have any attraction whatsoever. So what that means to you as a consumer, as a chef, is that this is not going to rust. This thing could be in salt water in an ocean. Somebody could pick it up 100 years later. It's not going to rust. That's what you want. High quality and no maintenance whatsoever. So here I'm going to show you. I'm going to be making the pastry dough for my Danish. So I have the sliced cold butter. It's not warmed up. It's at refrigerator temperature. I'm going to drop that into the flour. Now you try and work quickly to make sure that the butter doesn't actually melt, and use the pastry cutter, pastry cutter and blender into the flour until the butter are kind of like pea-sized. So I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to push down, and what it's doing, it's cutting the butter into those little sections based on that separation distance right there. And there you have it. So you can see that's incorporated into little pea-sized pieces of the butter, and you can see right in there that it didn't blend directly in, that there's still sections of butter in there, and that's what you want. This product is excellent, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.